Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, this is my review on these GOSOU pants that you see right over here, okay? So I have this size small, and it is waterproof and it is pretty warm. You can kind of see like it's a dual layer protective pants. So with it though, I have the tan version, and so if you really like baggy stuff, I'd say this is a great option for you. You do have a portion here for like a belt buckle, which I normally don't ever use. I'd say the main components of this is that it is waterproof, it is quite baggy, so if you're going after that baggy style, this has been absolutely phenomenal for me. And you can really see like how wide these pants actually get. Now, as far as the insides go, you can see that there's a layer here that's separate from the actual pants itself. And you have a back pocket on both sides, complete identical back pockets right over here. And then for the front pockets, you have two open pockets on the side, so definitely wouldn't recommend putting anything valuable. But this is what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the back. Now, I usually tend to wear size mediums, about I'd say like 90% of the time. So I'm 5 feet and 8 inches and about 160 pounds, and these fit okay. It's a bit tight around the waist. So just make sure that you get the right size, but just to give you some context, 5'8", 160 pounds. This is what it looks like, and I'm pretty fine with this size as well. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.